Another night in the shop. We did get the other tail light glued into place, so that's setting up. So we're working on the Dodge tonight to get the new upper frame rails installed. We got that side installed. We got to cut this one still. So show you what we're getting to. We got some big heavy duty angle iron. We got the first notch cut out. I got to cut this notch out so it fits inside that plate. We got this side welded in. So this first runner is in all the way down because we did split the frame here. It's all welded from here up in. So we'll just add another piece underneath just for a little extra support. So we'll get cutting on that one. And we're almost out of wire on the little spool, so we'll have to cut the big spool down so it can fit inside that fucking machine. But besides that, not a bad little machine. Works decently for being a 160. It was supposed to be a side mount like that one for the big spools, but they ended up sending me a top mount. But it is what it is. We just work with what we got. At least this is higher amperage, so I can do the thick metal. This one still works, good for sheet metal stuff, but this one burns in a little bit better for the big steel. So let's get it cutting that piece out so we can get this in place and get it welded in. So I gotta say, the DeWalt blades are actually pretty good. Usually I'd go through a lot of these fucking goddamn things when I'm cutting this big stuff up. This is my second one. Things are great. Hey DeWalt, how about a sponsorship? draw some lines, and then we'll grind away. All right, we got the line drawn out on the frame. Oh, I'm gonna grind it down. Meanwhile, there we go. All right. Out of wire. Time to switch over to spool. Alright, so we got the big spool cut down to fit in that. So I'm gonna finish welding this up. Drink a little bit more. I got 2 more hours to get ready. Go out, go hunting later. Get out there while it's still dark. Hopefully something comes in this morning down the driveway for the other property. I got some buck rubs down there, so hopefully we get some. We're gonna get this finished up and be on our merry way. Well, we popped the breaker. Gotta go turn that on again. welded in on this side. Find a brace, 2 braces to go across there, so we can put the hitch receiver there, so we can have the winch plug into there, and then in the back as well. And then we can deck this whole thing and make the flatbed for it, and then the little crane thing that comes off the back of it, so we can do some logging and bring wood back. So let's find a couple more pieces and get them set up. So we found a pipe to go there. We'll got to notch it to fit in the 2 spots later. Found the other 2-inch receiver coupling thing. Somebody else did this. I'm just going to cut it off and place it in the tube and weld it in there. Let's see. We've got another hitch sitting here. We're trying to soak this and heat it up to get it out, hopefully, so we can use this one. If not, I'll have to get another one from the field from one of the other trucks. And this is what the taillights are looking like. So they're looking good so far. I mean, we got to find some red plastic pieces, what are clear, what we can put here and up in these 2 spots. But hopefully next time we'll be getting on those after we're done with the logging truck. We got to get this done so we can get more firewood and logs out. So, catch up with you guys.